Hello, knife people. It is the first time for me to use these rechargeable batteries. Intelligent charger by Nightcore is really intelligent, as you can see. Each slot works independently. And at first, I charged 4 cells at once. Then, it detected the overcurrent or overheating of this portion. It went very hot and automatically it stopped charging. And when the charging was done, this blinking stops. Very nice device. 35 drawers, and each cell is $10. Expensive, maybe more than your country. Trustfire, 3000 milliampere hour. It has a protective circuit in there. And this slot spring was hard and awkward, so I put silicone grease in there, which is not harmful to the plastic grease. Nice one. This is the brand new flashlight, Fenix PD32UE Ultimate Edition. This company used to use only XPG LED, but now it is XML LED. Very bright. 700 lumens for the first 3 minutes, and then automatically steps down to 400 lumens to protect this LED from the heat. So you can see this pretty large heat releasing fins, so longer than this one. This is also takes rechargeable battery. EagleTac D25LC2. I have long loved this one, which only takes camera batteries. Camera battery CR123A is very popular in Japan, but this is not. But I recently purchased some pieces of long flashlights. This happens to be BC40. So this small battery is not economical at all. So I changed my mind to go to this rechargeable ones. Anyway, it's a very user-friendly light, in my opinion. Tail switch light and the side bottom makes 5 brightness steps, and strobe activation, continuous pushing, and it has a memory function. Always start with the memorized brightness level. User-friendly. And this diffuser comes with the light in the box. And this holster is very nice. Very generous. And very sturdy construction, in my opinion. And the unique point is this large hotspot, extremely large, ridiculously large. You know, it's the theory that large reflector makes smaller hot spot. They go along with the theory. This C2 CR123 battery powered light has a smaller reflector and makes a larger hotspot. This rechargeable one, larger reflector, makes a smaller hotspot. And this happened to generate more warmer tint. I can see the difference between the colors of the LED itself. This LED color is more orange. I don't know, you can see it. Maybe you cannot. It is more orange, reddish, yellowish. And this one, as yellow as this one. Neutral white. And this is warm white. And this is extraordinarily large hotspot. So this comparison will be very interesting. So here we go. This is Fenix PD32 Ultimate Edition. Like this. This is EagleTac D25LC2. Much wider hotspot on the Fenix PD32 Ultimate Edition. This is EagleTac D25C2 neutral white. Next, D25LC2 warm white. Slightly smaller hotspot and warmer tint on the rechargeable version LC2. And this one, extraordinary light and large hotspot. Ultimate Edition of the Fenix. Fenix tail switch is always comfortable. Very nice clicky feel. This recess is very nicely done. I don't care about not tail standing at all. It's a cool light. I hope you had a better idea for your next flashlight. Fenix PD32 Ultimate Edition. Highly recommended, in my opinion. See you. Bye bye.